Sup, everybody. Super Boy Gamer to be here, and today we're going to be playing Martial Arts Battle Arena Kai. And basically, you can just the point of this game is that you're supposed to fight people to get out of the arena. Oh wait, now yeah, okay. So now I'm in a fight. I can show you what this game's all about. Come on, man. Just come. Baited! You just got baited! Take all of the damn half of his health just gone. So, yep. Come here. It's brutal. Just brutal. Just absolute brutality, mate. You cannot beat it. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. You're just supposed to fight people. And compete. Yeah, I wish you could, like, how did that skill? Oh, yeah. Oh wait, I'm still in the arena. I'm still in the arena. That's a glitch that's been around since the game's release and it still hasn't been fixed. Oof. Dang, it's brutal. Brutal. Dude, that is just... Oh my god, I think he was trying to come after me. Oh, the game broke. The game literally broke. No! The game broke. No. How dare you hit? Hiya! I'm not your opponent! I'm not your opponent! These people don't know who their opponents are. Just waste their stamina. Cause guess what? I can jump, and you can't. Uh-oh. Let's just tire both of these guys out. Oh my god, I am enforcing a fight. While trying to hit me, they keep missing and they keep hitting each other. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so cool. Someone hit this man. Oh, no. Alright then, we got another fight in. Oh my gosh, what? This guy wants to eat me. This guy literally wants to eat me. Look at this. He literally wants to eat me. Jesus. Someone kill him. Yes, just admit it. Fuckery. Get the hell. I can't actually do anything. Okay, that's good. He's crying on the floor. I have a black belt at all martial arts. Hashtag. I like... Oh my god. Yes. We're equally matched. You're... Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. These people have no chill. Finish him! She's mad that I'm not dying and she is. Yeah. Come on, man. Don't try and change targets. Oh, that was just luck at its finest. I managed to get the grapple on him, even though Oh, okay. Ugh. Oh my god. Killer, nobody. Oh! Right. Don't ever trust your opponents. Oh my god, we are just getting fights every 10 seconds. Man, I'm just gonna beat you now, like, no holds barred at all. Noob. Just kick her in her side. Oh my god, this guy's actually stuck inside of the arena. You will pay for that chicken. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Come on, let's see if you can prove it. How was that a pun? Come on. You suck, mate. You actually suck. Oh! Combo on him. You're going to lose, mate. Ooh! Are you lagging? Jesus, this guy was at like the brink of death. One more hit and he would be no more. I need to block Miguel, because she's just really annoying. Pooh! Or then you wanna call me Pooh? Winnie the Pooh to you. Use head boot. Ooh. That did nothing. Hey! Get in there. Get in there and do something freaking productive or something. Do it. Thanks. Yeah, there's like 2 people inside here. VIP pass. Ow. Ooh! Brutal! Oh, yeah. This is just insanity. Now there's like 2 people in this thing that don't belong in here. Oh, never mind. Well, now you do belong in here. Just get thrown like the garbage you are. Ow, why the heck did I fall into that trap? Man, that spin attack that I did not do anything. Ow! No, I have no stamina. Oh, this is bad. Oh, I got an extra hit. I got the extra winning hit. Oh, yeah. Brutal. Oh my god. We are just winning this. So yeah, I think you can pretty much just see what you're supposed to do. I didn't expect. No! You done? Brutal. Yeah, you think you. Oh my god. She's so helpless that she's literally just resorting to attacking other people. Yeah, but you're forgetting, I still have one move up my sleeve that you don't. Anymore. Ooh! Wait, what? Oh my god, why didn't that do any damage to her? It was just like a fling. It didn't do anything to her. Oh my god, this is the laggiest game. The laggiest game, man. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I lost to a purple belt. This is just embarrassing, mate. Brutal. That is just absolutely brutal. But yeah, pretty much. I'm just gonna do one more match, and oh no, Why would you do that? Just push yourself aside with the opponent and die. Why? That is such a... Oh! 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 Alright, I'm beat you up, boy. I'm beat you up, boy. Beat you up, boy. Like, just nope. Listen, mate. Listen, mate. You don't have to... I mean, I don't... we don't have to do this, mate. Just step aside. Just, like, plunge into death. Okay, no, you don't want to. Don't forget that just because I lost to a purple just because I lost to a purple belt doesn't mean I still don't have my skills. Now I only lost because the freaking flame wouldn't work. Kill him. That was just brutal. But anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more match this time for real. And then I might go. Oh yeah, okay. So Thanos game. We're just gonna fight against this guy. Whether we win or lose, we're gonna end it. So. Oh! Oh! Take that! Dude! Oh! Well, anyways, yeah, I think that you guys already know what the point of this game is and what you're supposed to do. Ninja is just literally just triggered because of how good I am. But anyways, yeah. I'll leave the game in the description. So yeah. And let's just watch this. Oh my god! Oh! Ooh! Ooh! No! Oh, Jesus! This fight is more brutal than any fight I've ever had. This is like push and swing and push and swing and. Ooh! The backheader did not work. And defeated. He just lays defeated on the ground. How cruel. I just... Oh, wait, no, another fight? Oh! A rematch. Okay, it's time for us to prove that we are still good. Is that it? You're just not gonna take me seriously anymore. Just because I lost to you one more time. I mean, just because I lost to you once means that you're not gonna take me seriously. I'm still a deadly opponent! Yep. Come on, come on. Come quicker, come quicker. You're too slow. You're way too slow, mate. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Dead! I actually killed her! Oh, look, she respawned! She actually respawned! I actually killed her! I actually killed her! If you kill a person, then their body just lays on the floor